Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to go over how to set up your CORS network if you're in a CORS state. CORS network is pretty much a RTK network that is set up by the state government. It's mainly used for construction, but it's also free to use for ag use. So it's pretty cool. It's a free RTK source and works well for a lot of guys. These are all the states that have it. So all the blue states have CORS network and you should use it. If you're in the gray states, you have to figure out a different way for your RTK correction, but always reach out if you have any questions. So we'll be using Minnesota as an example. Actually, let's start back here. You can just Google Minnesota CORS or your state CORS, and it should pop up one of the first ones. Usually it's a DOT website, so we'll just come onto this website. Since you'll probably be new, you'll come down to register and just enter your personal data. Click next. Eventually, you'll register like that. They'll ask you for a subscription. The subscription is just $0, so that's how you get the RTK data. After you do that, Minnesota, they'll email you your data that you need to enter into your Agilent GPS kit. Other states like Iowa, I believe you come back to the site and actually just read it off of the site itself, but Minnesota, it sends you an email. So after you get the email, you'll come onto Agilent GPS, you'll click on RTCM, click on Intrip, click on Yes. Okay, so our Intrip is now on. Come back to Intrip. And in that email that Minnesota or your state CORS network sent you, there'll be a username, password, IP, mount point, and caster port. So you can now enter those now. Usually your username and password are the same as what you registered with on the site, but just make sure of that. The URL will be pretty specific, so make sure you enter in exactly what it says. Whatever, if it's /.gov, usually it's like Iowa DOT RTK /gov, something like that. But it'll detail it in the email. After you enter it, you can click verify URL or IP, and it'll say verified or not. Since this is a simulation, I'm getting the no caster error. If you get that error, that means an RTK is not coming through the Intrip messages. Enter your mount point. That's pretty important, and then also your caster port. And after you're done with that, click the green check mark. Wait a minute or two, and if it's set up correctly, you should start getting messages in this box. This is a box of how to make sure you're getting RTK messages. Your found should be more than 0. It should be 1 or 12. Then that should be good. But then after that, you have RTK, and you can just go ahead and go onto Agilent GPS. So thank you guys.